guys, welcome to today's vlog, and I have not done a vlog in a long time. I don't know why, but sorry if I lied to you guys. But today's vlog, we are just gonna do we're just gonna play with my birds. We got birds. We have like a mini farm going in our house, but my mom always says that. So yeah. Okay, for today's vlog, we're gonna have someone who is always is in my vlog. Okay, this is him.
Hello guys, I'm back.
Yeah, he's always in my vlogs pretty much. Okay, let's go get my birds, and yeah, I'll get to you guys when we come back. Hey guys, I'm back. Here's my bird. This is Mason's.
I have one at my house. He's just kind of scared right now.
Yeah. Okay, get that one. Okay, guys. So we're just gonna lower that down. Okay. We're just.
There you go.
Look at this little cute baby. Look at the camera. You guys can't even see it.
It's like faded. It's like
Come on! Your claw's stuck? Yeah, there you go. Look at the camera! Look at the camera! Look at the camera!
Is that like bird torture, Keaton? Shoot, you're out by the door.
Mask.
Ow! He just bit me. He's like, screw you, I'm gonna bite you.
You guys, look at the camera,
It's gonna fade out. There you go.
Look at the camera.
Here, I'll make him look. Look at it. He's like, look at that dude, look at that dude, look at that dude.
Ew, it poops. You guys can see, right?
Ow! He's trying to bite me. Ow! Why
do you always have to fling him up?
He bit
Just let him just go down. Fine, you take mine, dude.
Does yours bite?
No, they don't bite.
I know.
You're just mean to them. Or you're just like, do you know why?
Come on.
Look.
We should not pick this bed. This is like the one with all the holes in it. They get stuck. Come on.
Stop. Whoa, bro. Creepy little bro.
Keen, if anything, I think yours is a girl because it gets all fat and puffed up sometimes, huh?
Yeah, and that's fat. Come on, this is a boy, I think. Because it's skinnier.
Here, I'll take it. He's like really.
Like he's gonna, you're just gonna fling it away when he just does this. Yeah.
Yeah, come on.
Say hi to the camera. Well, you're on the camera. You're on the.
Come here, birdie. Oh, you want to see him go on the
Oh!
Do you think the viewers want to see him go on the screen? There you go. That kind of looks like.
Nice.
Here, I'll just do this. Bro, Keaton, there's a water bottle on your roof.
I know.
Come on, what's Mason's bird's name?
Hello. You're not even in the vlog, dude.
I know, the camera's...
Lower it up.
Why is
maybe a little close?
Mason's looks white, and it's not...
Yeah, because it's lighting. Okay, look, this one I'm holding right now, this is mine, it's white. This one's yellow. I don't know why, but if you guys could see it's yellow, okay, sorry. But what we see in the camera right now,
oh shoot, he's biting me.
It's yellow. It's white. What we see right now in the
Here,
vlog.
see, like, kind of...
Yeah, right there, it got puffed up.
Yeah, that's what it does. Your bird does that a lot. It's funny.
just leans over like, and all his weight is just forward. I'm like, whoa. Not that close, like right. Look, up, right there.
See, now you can kind of see his yellow.
We see right now, like, just me looking at the bird. It's purely white or yellow. But here,
In the morning,
white.
when my mom makes smoothies, my bird chirps. He chirps at time.
Boy, I'm gonna scare them.
Keen, how is that supposed to scare people?
I didn't say it's gonna scare. I'm just gonna say it's gonna scare them.
I thought when you put the birds in their reflections, they'd be like, "What the heck? Who are you? You look just like me." Come on.
Oh, you see that, guys? Come on, little buddy.
There you go.
Trip on me.
Okay, we're back. We got the birds, boys.
Boy, I wish your mom was here.
Honestly,
Kind of over there.
the birds.
Oh, why Parker's saying, oh, it's paused. Because it actually isn't. The birds walked over it. Or we actually accidented it.
It was paused there just now.
Yeah, it just got paused like 1 minute ago. We got the bird when it was at 1 minute. It's at 6 minutes. Look at that face, like he's like, whoa. Look at that screen. Like shake that booty, shake that booty.
Your nail is digging into me, buddy. Don't put him on my phone. That wasn't the right song for me.
Hello. See, you get stuck.
I know, yours is weird.
Not cool. Not being able to talk to someone using a
I
different
think he just tries to bite it.
video call.
It's like this is like a
Introducing
like a
Google Duo.
human.
iPhone and Android video calling. Hi Google.
It's like holding on to him. It's like, let me go, I'm gonna bite you. He just walked over his phone. Black people's in the city.
be big and needed to confiscate the money.
Okay, now we're gonna see what they do on the floor, okay guys?
Wow.
Look, this is how you make them fly. Look, ready?
You throw them up. But you don't like kind of go like that. You have to like kind of help them down.
You can come down here.
I know. Yeah. Release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Okay.
Here, put it like right here.
Look cool and convince them to keep them
Here, we gotta get some good songs.
Can't even see them anymore.
We got y'all, we won't be no trouble. Remember, don't call the cops, just call us.
Walk in this party and these girls in skinny jeans on and I'm doing oh.
Tell him what I'm feeling.
A video.
Oh, earlier, I did a backflip slide. So let me go show you that. Look. Pretty sick.
Yeah.
No, I got it.
Let me do
I
it.
got it.
My phone. Make sure it's hot. Oh, I have to go like that.
Push play.
Alright.
Wait, Keba? Okay, bro? Okay, bro?
That is.
I don't know why, but it takes a long time.
Yeah,
Film mode takes a long time. But I was just like this. 1, 2, go. 3, boom. Yeah.
He's about to go. He hurt his foot really bad doing that.
Yep. Not like really bad, like, oh, broken ankle.
Why not?
No, like a sore. Like, I bended it. Okay, is that the only video you have?
Yeah.
I think you have 2. Try, look.
I don't.
No. Send me your location. Focus on for me. Okay. So now do.
He's trying to connection.
I'm trying to make them fly. Look, ready? Set go. I'm not being mean to them.
Have you heard this one before, Katie?
No. Go, 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 go.
Let me tell y'all about this folk Jake Paul. Fake life, no talent at all. Let me tell y'all.
Why do you like that song?
I don't know.
We started by
I don't really like it.
Russ keep playing like a fake ass boss. It's everyday, bro. It's the Disney show.
Oh, I know you like this one.
This is your captain.
Yep, I love this song.
Getting a little hot
Because
because
this song's about me.
Fire Red.
We got Dylan Matthew, Taylor Alicia, and myself. Little Fox at your service. So sit back,
Weird. Where are you going?
enjoy the show.
Whoa. Someone's almost falling. It goes slow.
No!
Say no, no
Serious?
more. Hey, and I'm better.
Look.
No, never.
This should go on Guinness World Records, alright? Cringiest song in the world.
Sup, rock stars? It's Rocco here. This is my first song.
I don't really think it's that cringy, but
It's cringy.
Let's do this.
it's cringy.
It's like you never call me, bro. It's like you never call me, bro. It's like you never every day, bro. I gotta get to
Your voice like
the so who we kidding? I hate my shoulder easy. I'll make it tricky.
I think it's tricky.
My shoes, it can get sticky.
It's getting sticky.
Merch, look at bio. Get that dirt off my shoulder.
He's pretty much copying Jake Paul and Tanner Fox.
I know.
And your mouth should just on you. I think
In your bio.
break it,
Hey.
Same age, we the rock stars. We them boys. We can pull up all you listeners now in their cars. And then I know it's strong, I don't have a pause. But I'm still trying to find out my voice is deeper than yours. I don't want to do it.
Have you heard this before? Not this.
Okay, guys. Okay. Sorry if this was a boring vlog, but I'm still gonna post on and post every single vlog I do. Please get me to what is it, 10,000 views, so I can start doing ads because I really want to do that, and I like Joy. And yeah, see you in the next vlog.
December 6, 2014. You're gonna drive across LA, get as many weddings as
What?
you can, and shoot the most
And-
narcissistic, self-loving.
Come on, get in this hand. Get in this hand.